What if artificial intelligence could detect cancer before a doctor even sees it in your scans? What if it could predict a deadly disease before you even feel a symptom? This isn't some sci-fi fantasy, it's happening right now. In this video, we're uncovering how AI is transforming healthcare, diagnosing cancer earlier, predicting illnesses before they appear, and saving lives in ways never possible before. We will be including real-life testimonials. Chapter 1. AI detects illnesses and cancers missed by doctors. In a recent NHS trial, an AI tool named Mia analyzed mammograms from over 10,000 women. It successfully flagged all women who already had symptoms, but crucially, it also identified 11 women with tiny signs of breast cancer that had been missed by hospital radiologists. In one case, a patient named Barbara had her cancer detected by Mia AI, even though it was practically invisible to the human eye and not noticed by doctors at the time. Sarah Studholm, a 58-year-old woman, visited an NHS hospital in Oxford for gastrointestinal issues. During her examination, an abdominal CT scan was analyzed by AI, which detected a collapsed vertebra, a sign of osteoporosis. This diagnosis was unexpected, as she was relatively young and had no history of broken bones. The AI's detection led to early treatment that would likely have been missed without its intervention. Researchers at the Mayo Clinic developed an AI model that identified pancreatic cancer in CT scans an average of 475 days, over a year, before clinical diagnosis, with 92% accuracy. This is a major breakthrough since pancreatic cancer is often detected at advanced stages when treatment options are limited. Similarly, a Harvard-led study showed AI could identify people at highest risk for pancreatic cancer up to 3 years before diagnosis, using only electronic health records. The tool was trained on millions of patient records and can flag high-risk individuals for further testing, potentially saving lives through earlier intervention. Chapter 2. How does AI actually work? AI systems diagnose cancers and other diseases by analyzing vast amounts of medical data, such as digital images, genetic information, and patient records, to detect patterns and features that may be invisible or too subtle for human experts to reliably identify. The AI tool Sibyl, developed by researchers at Massachusetts General Hospital and MIT, analyzes routine CT scans to predict lung cancer risk up to 6 years in advance. There have been documented cases where Sibyl detected early signs of lung cancer that radiologists did not recognize until visible nodules appeared years later. AI algorithms are trained on thousands of medical images like mammograms, CT scans, MRIs, and pathology slides. They learn to recognize abnormal patterns or structures that could indicate cancer or disease. For example, AI can scan digital slides of tumor tissues, detect cancer cells, and even predict a tumor's molecular profile based on cellular features seen in the images, often with higher accuracy than traditional methods. AI tools can analyze tissue samples from biopsies, identifying cancerous cells and distinguishing between different cancer types. These systems can also predict genetic mutations and molecular features of tumors, which are critical for choosing the best treatment options. AI can analyze a patient's medical history, lab results, and screening data to estimate the risk of developing certain diseases or cancers. It can flag high-risk individuals for further testing, sometimes years before symptoms appear or a doctor would suspect disease. AI diagnoses cancers and diseases by learning from massive data sets, analyzing complex medical information, and identifying patterns beyond human perception, leading to earlier, more accurate, and more personalized medical care. Think of thousands of CT scans, blood samples, or health records. They look for patterns and signals that correlate with disease, and once trained, they can analyze new data in real time. Some systems analyze medical images like MRIs or mammograms, blood biomarkers, and genetic data, even subtle voice or speech changes, which may predict Alzheimer's or Parkinson's. What seems like random noise to us might be a red flag to an AI. Chapter 3. Real tools already saving lives. These aren't experiments. Let's talk about AI systems that are already helping patients. 1. Google's lung cancer AI detected tumors a year earlier than doctors in some cases. 2. Sibyl, developed by Massachusetts General Hospital and MIT. Sibyl is a deep learning model that predicts future lung cancer risk from a single low-dose CT scan, providing risk assessments up to 6 years in advance. 3. Ibex. Ibex offers AI-powered diagnostic solutions for cancer, notably its prostate and breast solutions, which assist pathologists in detecting cancer, grading tumors, and identifying clinically relevant features such as perineural invasion. 4. Vuno Med. This tool identifies and quantifies pulmonary nodules to aid in the early detection of lung cancer. 5. Evidence AI-based pathology diagnosis tool. In development by Evident, a subsidiary of Olympus, this tool can detect 7 types of gastric cancer using pathology whole slide images, improving versatility and accuracy for gastric cancer diagnosis. 6. Deep transfer learning approach for PET-CT scan. Developed by researchers at Johns Hopkins University. This AI tool automatically detects and characterizes 6 different cancer types: lung, melanoma, lymphoma, head and neck, breast, and prostate, on whole-body PET-CT scans, quantifying tumor burden, and aiding in prognosis and treatment response prediction. 7. Caption Health. AI that guides nurses through performing ultrasounds, even if they've never done one before. Each of these tools has already helped save lives and reduce misdiagnoses. Soon, your annual checkup could include an AI-powered scan that spots risks before you feel sick. You might receive personalized health alerts based on your genetics, lifestyle, and even wearable data. Instead of reacting to illness, doctors will prevent it. Instead of treating symptoms, we'll be tackling root causes early. Doctors won't be replaced, but they'll be better equipped than ever before. The future of medicine isn't coming, it's already here. AI is detecting disease earlier, predicting illness before it starts, and saving lives every day. Would you trust an AI with your health? Drop your thoughts in the comments. I'd love to hear your take. And if this video from Health Equals Wellness opened your eyes, make sure to like and subscribe so you don't miss what's next in the future of health.